Johnny here, Fukumoto Fitness, showing you our 4-week relaunch plan, this being week 1. We're already halfway through. Stage 1, week 1, June 15th. We have the capacity for 9 per class in one room, and we've asked you to sign in for 1 session a week to start. But also, if you look on the schedule and 1 hour before there are spots, you can grab your second spot. Okay, so that's this week. Next week, we're already moving to stage 2. We're moving, folks. June 22nd. You can sign up for a max of 2 sessions off the bat. For that week, we still are in one room with 9 per class. That's the only difference. Moving on to stage 3. This is week 3 and 4. This is June 29th, the weeks of June 29th and July 6th. We're going to make a move to 2 rooms. That brings our capacity to double, 19 people, 1 coach per room. And so that's a big deal. We're also going to start letting you know about our official training phase, a 4-week block, 6 different workouts, but progressing those specifically for 4 weeks. We have been doing this already, but we don't expect you necessarily to be aware of our program design, but we're going to make that more clear. The other thing is that we're going to start implementing in week 3 a no-show or a very late cancel fee, because we can't afford to have half of our classes spaces be just unused because people are just not showing up. We have very small sessions, and we just cannot service you guys if that becomes a habit. So what that means is if you sign up yourself and you don't show and you're just on there, you're taking up a spot, we're going to charge you $20 for that no-show. Also, if you bail out less than 2 hours before the session, then you're also going to have that $20 fee. And that just is trying to be more considerate, being more planned out, and also allowing other people on the wait list to gather their life together to get here on time to fill that spot. Again, we used to have 20 people. We have 9 in some cases. So this is what we need to do for best for our community. And you're probably used to that from other places. You need to book appointments and a lot of other gyms. So that's that. Also in that week, if you're a 3-time-a-week person, you can check an hour before the session. And if there's a spot in the session you like, grab that to get your 3 times a week. So this is all within the first 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks from now. So we're humming along. That is the initial plan as of today, Wednesday, June 17th. We're hoping things don't change. We have planned beyond that, but sometimes it's best not to lay out all the details just in case we're forced to adapt and make changes based on unforeseen things, or if the government, the provincial government changes up what we're allowed to do. But you can know after those 4 weeks, if there is a need, we will open up new times, more sessions, and keep humming along in that way. And again, our goal is to keep at least all the online stuff going for 2 more months, and we'll reassess. Maybe we go longer, but that's what we feel we can say out loud right now. Also, about the no-show fee, we're going to give everybody one grace chance for that, but after that, we're going to need to enforce that just for the benefit of the community here to make sure we're running and we have accountability with that. So thank you for understanding, but yes, we'll get 1 grace, and then we will explain it to you when that happens, and then we'll go from there. So there's our relaunch 4-week plan, and we'll put this in writing as well. Very important to check out. Thanks for staying fit with us and adapting, and we are very confident that we will continue to support you and get results and learn new things along the way, just like we've done through the entire 14 weeks. Whether we see you in here or on the internet, better together.